Hello fellow painters, welcome back to my channel. Today's recording is about another cool alternative for your Games Workshop games. It will be an Empire General on the Hippogriff. Comparing to the original, much cheaper. The link to this menu you will find in the description down below, so go and check it out. But in the meantime, grab your paints, brushes, and let's start. After I have printed my miniature, I prime it black and apply zenithal highlights as usual. My tip: do not paint such a big miniature glued together. Instead, paint it in parts. It will make your painting experience much easier. In this first part, I'm excited to show you how I use Vallejo Warlord Purple with some airbrush thinner to bring life to the feathers of our majestic Hippogriff. The vibrant hues of Warlord Purple add a mystical touch, and using the airbrush ensures a smooth, even application across each intricate feather. The airbrush thinner helps achieve a flawless blend, allowing us to capture the intricate nuances of the Hippogriff's plumage. Moving on to the next step, let's introduce Vallejo Alien Purple into the mix. Using the airbrush once again, I will demonstrate how to seamlessly incorporate this captivating hue to add a second layer of color to our Hippogriff's feathers. The dynamic interplay of Warlord Purple and Alien Purple, skillfully applied with the airbrush, results in a stunning, multi-dimensional effect. In this phase, witness the transformation of the Hippogriff as Vallejo Hexetlichen adds a touch of complexity to the front wings and body feathers. The airbrush technique employed ensures a seamless integration of Hexetlichen, creating a sense of depth and dimension. Precision is crucial as we embark on this intricate journey of accentuating the wingtips with Vallejo Squid Pink. Through careful airbrush techniques, we will achieve a subtle yet striking effect that adds flair to our Hippogriff's wings. The airbrush proves to be the artist's ally in achieving a nuanced and refined look. Achieving a seamless and natural skin tone is an art in itself. With Army Painter, Peachy Flesh and the airbrush as our tools, I will demonstrate the mastery of creating a balanced and lifelike appearance for our Hippogriff's body. Army Painter Peachy Flesh envelops the Hippogriff's body, bringing forth its spirit. The airbrush proves instrumental in crafting a flawless main skin color, highlighting the intricate details and contours. Precision is key as we delicately introduce Vallejo Flesh to paint light reflection on specific areas of our Hippogriff's body. The airbrush technique employed ensures a seamless integration, capturing the essence of light dancing on the creature's body. Let's turn our attention to the beak of our majestic Hippogriff, where we will introduce Army Painter Maize Yellow for a striking effect. Witness the transformation as Maize Yellow brings personality and flair to our mythical creature. Let's delve into the art of adding depth and dimension to our Hippogriff's beak, at the same time using the color that we have already in the airbrush. I will add shades to non-metallic areas. The Army Painter hardened leather sprayed from below on specific parts of the armor will create captivating non-metallic gold accents. The airbrush technique employed ensures a unique and eye-catching effect that elevates the overall aesthetic of our Hippogriff. Here's a pro tip for our painting journey. I have discovered that Army Painter speed paints behaves exceptionally well when applied in two thin coats. That's why I am thinning it with the Vallejo airbrush thinner in a 50-50 ratio. The sand golem will be the main color that I have applied for all non-metallic gold elements. Precision is paramount as we delve into the intricacies of armor detailing using Army Painter Caribbean Ocean in two thin coats. Applying this vibrant hue in two thin coats showcase the richness and depth of the armor components. Witness the transformation as Caribbean Ocean brings a splash of color and character to our mythical companion. Prepare for a touch of magic as we dive into the world of highlighting armor elements on our Hippogriff. Using a 50-50 ratio of Vallejo White ink and Army Painter Caribbean Ocean with the airbrush. Watch as the dynamic duo elevates the vibrancy and detailing of the armor components, adding a touch of brilliance to our mythical companion. The airbrush technique employed ensures a harmonious blend, showcasing the intricacies detail with a touch of radiance. Discover an affordable and high-quality alternative as we venture into dry brushing Vallejo Old Rose onto the wings of our Hippogriff. Using a soft brush from a cosmetic store, I will showcase how this budget-friendly option can yield superior results that are better than applied with a dry brush from a hobby store. Watch as Old Rose delicately applied with the soft brush breathes warm into the wings previously adorned with Warlord Purple and Alien Purple. Embark on the next phase of our Hippogriff masterpiece as we dry brush Vallejo World Purple onto the areas previously adorned with hexetlichen. I will guide you through the technique of dry brushing, imparting a touch of Warlord Purple magic to enhance the hexetlichen enchantment. Watch as the colors intertwine, creating a captivating dance across the wings and body of our mythical creature. In this phase, witness the transformation of Vallejo Golden Yellow, expertly dry brushed with the soft brush, revolutionizing my thoughts on this technique. The blends achieved are nothing short of impressive, showcasing the versatility and artistic potential of dry brushing when done with care. Stay tuned for the grand reveal as we unveil the completed project, a testament to the newfound appreciation for the art of dry brushing. In this final chapter, witness the gilded radiance unfold as Vallejo White, expertly dry brushed, brings the light reflection on our non-metallic gold parts to life. The intricate details shine with the captivating luminosity, showcasing the beauty of this finishing touch. I hope you have enjoyed this one. Please let me know in the comments down below which faction, which side are you on, the Tomb Kings or the Bretonnians. I will try to find for you guys in the near future more alternatives for both armies. But in the meantime, if you enjoyed this one, please like it, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and I will see you next week. Bye bye!